I'm going to go over a air mattress from the company LOSTHORIZON. This is it right here. This is the Airsoft 4.5. What the 4.5 means is thickness, 4.5 inches. I think that's what it means anyway. So I've already taken it out, checked it out, and right away on top, you see what this is? This is a pump. They do have an included pump with this, and I'll just take it out of the box. So the pump's going to have a lot of different fittings. It's got a minus fitting right here, USB-C charger right there. This thing can charge your cell phone, and it's also a little flashlight, and it has a little hook that goes right here. That way you can use it as a lantern. You can hit it right there. Very bright LED light. Double tap it. There you go. Woo. So that's the inflation. That's the deflation, and I'll show you why you want to use the deflation on that. So I know you're looking at it and you're seeing like this right here. You're wondering what that is. Believe it or not, this is a backup pump. If you don't have the electric pump, this is a pump, and I'll actually use them both and show you how it works. But here's the mattress right here. Notice how nice and contained it is. I love it that they added an actual cool, like, actual strap, not like one of those stupid bungees. So it's very tightly packed. This is a self-inflation pad. You're gonna open it like that, turn this dial over. I don't know if you can hear it in the mic, but now it's inflating. So this thing is inflating. Now this is awesome. I have never seen this. That pops in there like that, and believe it or not, everybody, this works as a pump. Look at this. Does that not awesome? That's so cool. Just roll it up. Now watch this. That works extremely well. I've never actually seen this. This is something very different for me to actually see something like this, to have it. But you know what? That works so well. I could almost, a few more inflations with this thing, it would already pumped it up. But I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna show you the actual pump right now. So the pump, what I like about this pump, it's a pressure fit, it just locks into place. Double tap it. Watch how fast. I mean, this can inflate, this little pump can inflate this thing in less than a minute. So while everybody's over there blowing on their stuff, you've already got it inflated. Look at that, it's pretty much done. Now, you go whatever you want. The harder, if you want it more firm, just go tighter with it. If you want it less firm, you can go less with it. But look how quickly that's working. That's working really good. Just screw that in. Now that pad is solid. Closer to nature, closer to yourself. How about that? How cute is that? LOSTHORIZON there. This has this soft material up here on the top. Let me show you the bottom right here. So this material right here, it has this cooling type fabric on it with memory cell in there. And what I got it for is my van. Let me take it over here and put it in my van and show you with it set up. Okay, so this is the cot size. This size right here goes on a cot, but you can see how I'm gonna run it right here in my van. And what I like to do is deflate one down a little bit, and then I just bend it up a little bit right here and put my pillows right here. And look how awesome that is. And this is how I sleep. Believe it or not, this right here works extremely well. This is so comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable air mattresses I've ever used. And you can see I've deflated it down a little bit, so it puts a little bend in it. And this thing works perfect. And then if I want, I can just close the door up like that and close myself in here. Or I could go a little longer with it and move it down. I can open that door and let my feet kind of hang out. But I really like this thing a lot. Deflate it. What you're gonna do is just see that little valve right there. Put that there like that. And that's the deflation. But it takes a while to deflate. So let me show you something that the pump does. So get your pump, move it from here, put it up here. Now it's on the deflation. So stick that in there like that, double tap it. Believe it or not, it's vacuuming it out right now. It's already getting thinner. Look how thin that's getting. This works extremely well. This is one of the best air mattresses I've ever seen, everybody. You see that? It's already starting to vacuum seal it down. I just let it keep vacuuming it down like that. So you see how it's vacuuming it? Now just grab it and roll it up. This thing sucks and blows. That's awesome. I'm just gonna let it go a little longer. Like I mentioned, that strap just rolls around like this. That comes off, screw that back on, and you're all set. And then because this is an oversized bag, you can pretty much fit this thing. And all the instructions on how to do it is right here, just in case you want to know. You can see all the instructions there, but you know what? It's an air mattress. There's not much to them. There's enough room in there to add more stuff, say like a pillow, a tent, whatever you want. You could actually use this bag for a lot of different stuff, and it just rolls up like that. And that's it, everybody. This is one of the best air mattress setups I have in my arsenal right now. Very impressive. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Lost Horizons 4.5 air mattress. See y'all in the next video.